computer an amazing machine. Warm up. Color the clouds blue for the things that you can touch. Color the clouds green for the things that you cannot touch. Dear children, welcome to the new class. In the previous class, you learned that the computer is a wonderful machine. It has different parts that work together to form a computer system. Let us learn more about its parts. A computer system basically consists of the following two main components: hardware, software. Hardware. Hardware refers to all those physical parts of a computer that we can see and touch. The hardware of a computer cannot work on its own. It needs help in the form of instructions. Software. Unlike a hardware, a software cannot be seen or touched. Software is a set of instructions, commands, or programs that tells a computer hardware how to operate. Types of hardware based on its function. Hardware of a computer is further classified into four parts: input, processing, output, and storage devices. Some input devices. An input device is used to enter data and give instructions to the computer. The commonly used input devices are: a keyboard is the most common input device used to enter data and instructions into the computer. A keyboard has many keys on it. A mouse is a pointing device which allows us to give commands as input. We use a mouse to point at, select, and move objects on the monitor. A joystick is used to play games on the computer. The stick is used to move in any direction while playing games. A webcam is a camera that is attached to the computer to capture photos and videos. It is mainly used for video conferencing. A microphone is used to record our voice and other sounds into the computer. The recorded sound is then saved as a sound file on the computer. Sound cards enable the computer to record sound input from a microphone connected to the computer. A scanner copies a picture or text printed into the computer. There are many types of scanners. The most commonly used scanners are flatbed and barcode scanner. Keep in mind, barcode scanner is used to scan the printed barcodes present on the various products. It can be seen in large grocery stores, shopping malls, etc. Take a break. Rearrange the letters and write the names of the input devices. Processing device. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. This is where the computer does all the processing work. It also controls all input, output, and other devices. It is inside a box known as the CPU box. Some output devices. Output devices are used to display the result of processing of the data. Output may be printouts from the printer, sounds from the speakers, or images on the monitor. The commonly used output devices are: a monitor displays whatever is typed on the screen. It also displays the processed information. It is also called Visual Display Unit, VDU. The output on monitor is called soft copy. Speakers and headphones are used to listen to output in the form of sound. A printer helps us to print on paper what we see on the monitor screen. The output printed on a paper is called hard copy. A projector displays images and videos from a computer on a large screen. Storage devices. Some of the storage devices are as follows. A hard disk is the main storage device which stores all the work we do on a computer. It is present inside the CPU box. CD stands for compact disc. It is a flat, shiny disc that stores a lot of information. A pen drive is a tiny storage device that can store a large amount of data and can be carried easily. Types of software. Computer software can be classified into two types: system software and application software. System software, it is also known as operating system. Without an operating system, a computer has no life. It contains all the programs that are required to run the computer. Application software. The software which is specially designed to carry out a particular function is called an application software. These software come loaded in CDs and has to be installed on the computer system. Some of the commonly used application software are word processor. Word processors are used to type, edit and format text documents for official purpose. The widely used word processor is MS Word. Spreadsheets. These types of programs help to store, organize and calculate the data in a tabular form. The most common spreadsheet program is MS Excel. Presentations. With the help of MS PowerPoint, we can present our data in the form of slide shows. Computer games. We can play games on the computer for recreation. Some of the games such as solitaire, hearts, etc. come pre-installed in the computer. Music player. We can listen songs on our computer with the help of Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, etc. We can create our playlist and install songs of our choice. Keep in mind, even mobile phones have an operating system inside them. Example of a popular mobile operating system is Android. A computer system basically consists of a hardware and software. Hardware refers to all those physical parts of a computer that we can see and touch. Unlike hardware, a software cannot be seen or touched. An input device is used to enter data and give instructions to the computer. The CPU is the brain of the computer. Output devices are used to display the result of processing of the data. Computer software can be classified into two types: system software and application software. Chapter 2: Introduction to Windows 10. Warm up. Identify the following applications from their icons and write their names. When we start the computer, the first software that gets loaded is known as operating system. It manages and controls the different parts of a computer system. It is a type of system software that manages and controls the working of a computer system. Keep in mind, the first operating system used in personal computers was DOS, Disk Operating System, which is still in use. Functions of operating system. Operating system, commonly known as OS, manages all the resources that are attached to it. All the input and output devices that are attached to the system are known as resources of the computer system. Operating system also controls the storage operations. Example, how data or files are stored into the computer system. Introducing Windows. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems. Windows comes in various versions, the most recent ones being Windows 10. There have been many different versions of Windows over the years, including Windows 8, released 2012, Windows 7, 2009, Windows Vista 2006, and Windows XP 2001, while older versions of Windows mainly run on desktop and laptop computers. Windows 10 is also designed to run equally well on tablets. Windows 10 Desktop. When you switch on the computer, the Windows operating system gets loaded into the computer memory automatically. It then checks that all parts are working. This is called booting up. After booting, the screen that appears on the monitor is called desktop. The desktop has the following items. Icons. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has the start button on the extreme left side. The middle section of the bar shows buttons with a label for each opened application and allows us to quickly switch between them. We can activate the application window by clicking on its taskbar button. We can also add or remove items from the taskbar. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade. The right side of the taskbar is known as navigation area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that provides status and notifications about updates, network connectivity, incoming mails, battery, volume, etc. The Show Desktop button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. Click on this button to minimize all the open windows and view the desktop. Start menu. One of the most important features in Windows 10 is the Start menu. We use the Start menu to open apps, access commonly used folders, and a whole lot more. File Explorer. We use the File Explorer to manage our files and folders. To open File Explorer, click the File Explorer icon on the taskbar or Double-click any folder on the desktop. Search box. To search for something on the computer like a specific file or application, click the Start button and then start typing. Alternatively, we can press the Windows key on the keyboard to begin a search. Customizing the Start menu. We can customize the Start menu to suit our needs. To rearrange tiles. If we don't like the way our tiles are arranged on the Start menu, we can rearrange them. To move a tile, simply click and drag it to the desired location. In this example, we are moving the Microsoft Edge tile. To make a tile bigger or smaller, right-click the size, select Resize, then choose the desired size. Pinning and unpinning tiles. If we want to add a tile to the Start menu, we can pin it. We can also unpin tiles that we don't use very often. Click the Start button, then open the All Apps menu. Find and right-click the desired app, then select Pin to start. In this example, we are pinning the Calendar app. The app will be pinned to the Start menu. We can remove any tile by right-clicking on it, then selecting Unpin from Start. Take a break. Match the following with their images. Selecting, deselecting an icon. To select an icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer on the icon. Step 2. Press the left mouse button to select the icon. As the icon is selected, its color changes. To deselect an icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Step 2. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icon changes to its original color. Arranging icons. You can arrange icons on the desktop in many ways. To arrange the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click at any blank area on the desktop. A menu appears. Step 2. Click on the View option. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Choose one of the options given to arrange the icons in that order. Hiding icons. You can hide the icons on the desktop. To hide the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click at any blank area on the desktop. A menu appears. Step 2. Click on View option. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Click Show Desktop Icons to uncheck it. Just after you uncheck it, you will see the desktop without icons. Quick Launch Bar. The Quick Launch Bar contains shortcuts to a few tiles of software. You can launch software quickly by single-clicking its button. System Tray. System Tray is basically used to display the clock and the icons of certain programs so that a user is continually reminded that they are there and can easily click them. Shutting down a computer. When we are done using our computer, it's important to shut it down properly. To do this, click the Start button, then choose Power Shut Down. When we start the computer, the first software that gets loaded is known as operating system. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems. After booting, the screen that appears on the monitor is called desktop. The Quick Launch Bar contains shortcuts to a few tiles of software. Chapter 3: Introduction to MS Word 2016. Warm-up. Below are given 3 types of files of a computer. Look at them and answer the given below questions. Which of these files has text only? Which of these files has picture only? Which of these files has both text and picture? Microsoft Word is a popular type of word processing software. It can be used for writing letters, stories, poems, etc. It is also called MS Word in short. It is a part of Microsoft Office, which contains many other commonly used applications of day-to-day use. It's pleasant surprise that Word 2016 contains new and improved features from document creation to reading, editing, and collaboration. Starting MS Word 2016. Step 1. Choose Start. Step 2. Select all apps where a list of applications is visible. Step 3. Select Word 2016. A startup screen as shown will be displayed on your desktop. From the Start screen, locate and select Blank Document to access the Word interface. MS Word 2016 screen is presented before us. We will find the blinking cursor on the top left of the window waiting for us to type the text. The Word window has many parts. Some of them are described below. Title bar. The title bar is present on the top of the screen. It displays the name of the document followed by the name of the program. It has a quick access toolbar on the left. The title bar also contains the minimize, maximize, restore down and close buttons to its right. Ribbon. The ribbon is located just below the title bar. The ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. File, Home, Insert and Page Layout are some tabs on the ribbon. Clicking on a tab displays groups of commands. File tab. The File tab is present on the left corner of the ribbon. It has commands such as Open, Save and Print. Document area, Text area. It is the large blank white area where we can type, edit and format the text. Cursor. A cursor is a small blinking line in the document area. It shows the position of the text we type. Status bar. The status bar is present at the bottom of the screen. It displays the page number, number of words, zoom option, etc. Scroll bars. There are vertical and horizontal scroll bars on the right and bottom above the status bar, side of the screen respectively. We can move the screen display towards right or left using the horizontal scroll bar and shift it up and down with the help of the vertical scroll bar. Creating a new document. To create a new file, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab and select the new option. The Backstage view appears. Step 2. Click on Blank Document. A new Word document opens. Writing text in Word. Once a document has been created, you can use the keyboard and start typing text. Keep in mind, when you type in Microsoft Word, you do not need to press a key to move to a new line. To start a new paragraph, press the Enter key. Saving a document. After working on the document, we should save it properly so that it can be accessed whenever required. We must save our file with a name that can be easily remembered with file extension docs. The three main methods of saving the file are: click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar, or press Ctrl key plus S on the keyboard. A Save As dialog box will appear that will save the file to an appropriate location. Or Step 1, click on File. Step 2, click on Save. Step 3, double-click the option This PC Save As dialog box will open up. Step 4, save the file at an appropriate location. Step 5, give a name to the document. Step 6, click the Save button. Opening document. We may need to open a saved document anytime. The steps to open a document are as follows. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Select the Open option from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Double-click the option This PC. The Open dialog box will appear. Step 4. Locate and select the file name to be opened. Step 5. Click on the Open button. Closing a document. Step 1. Click on File. Step 2. Click on Close. Step 3. If the changes in a document are not saved, MS Word will prompt us to save the changes. Step 4. Click Save. To close without saving, click Don't Save. This will close the document and will not save the changes. Printing the document. After completing the work, it's time to take a printout. To print a document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File. Click on Print option. Step 2. Select the type of printer. Step 3. Choose the page numbers to be printed. Step 4. Select the number of copies to be printed. Step 5. Once all the choices are made, click Print button. Microsoft Word is a popular piece of word processing software. Word 2016 contains new and improved features from document creation to reading, editing, and collaboration. The title bar is present at the top of the screen. The ribbon is located just below the title bar. Once a document is created, you can use the keyboard and start typing text. We must save our file with a name that can be easily remembered with file extension docs. Chapter 4. More about MS Paint. Warm up. Match the columns. The paint is an important accessory provided by Windows where you can show your imagination and creativity. The same picture can be presented in different ways by using different tools in Paint. Thus, Paint is an application software in which you can create attractive drawings of your choice. You know about some of the tools available in the Paint toolbox. Let's revise them. The brush tool is used for drawing thick lines. The pencil tool is used to draw freehand and create personal drawings. The eraser tool is used to erase drawings and lines. The line tool is used to draw straight lines. The rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles and squares, filled or blank. The Fill with Color tool is used to fill any closed figure with the color selected from the color box. The Ellipse tool is used to draw ellipses and circles. The Rounded Rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles and squares with rounded edges. Modifying a picture. In this chapter, we shall learn about the options and tools in the clipboard and image group present on the ribbon. To use the various options and tools in the clipboard and image groups, first we need to select the entire picture or a part of it. Selecting an object. This tool is used to select the particular part of the image with different shapes. We have two types of selection tools. Rectangular selection. This tool is useful for selecting the whole or a part of an object in a rectangular form. Steps for using Select tool. Choose the rectangular selection tool. Click and drag on the part of picture which we want to select. A dashed rectangle will appear. Around your selection with the Move cursor, we can press this cursor down anywhere inside our selection and drag to move it. Free form selection. This tool is used to select an object in irregular form. Steps for free form selection. Select the free form selection tool. Point to the image to be selected. Click and drag on the area which we want to select. Copying an object. The copy command is used to make duplicate copy of an object. To copy an object, follow these steps. Click on the drop-down arrow of Select and choose a selection. Drag the pointer to select the part of the picture we want to copy. In the clipboard group, click on Copy. In the clipboard group, click on Paste. The copy is placed at the top left corner of the drawing area. We can again click on the Paste option to paste more copies of the same picture. We do not need to copy the image again for this. moving an object. Select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of the Select tool. A rectangular with dashed line will appear around the picture as shown. Click on the Cut option in the clipboard group on the Home tab. Observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Now, click on the Paste option. The object that we have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area. Place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. Flipping the picture. We use the Rotate option to change the angle and flip to the whole picture or a part of it. The Flip Vertical option turns the picture upside down, and the Flip Horizontal option gives a mirror image of the picture. To rotate or flip a picture, follow the steps given below. Select the picture, click on Rotate option in the image group. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on one of the Rotate options if we want to rotate the picture. Click on one of the Flip options if we want to flip the picture. Let us see how the picture appears on clicking each of the options under Rotate. Resizing, skewing the picture. The size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically or horizontally in the following way. Select the drawing by covering its boundary using Select tool. Select the Resize option in the image group on the Home tab. Specify the resize in percentage or pixels and skew in degrees for both horizontal and vertical. in the respective boxes according to our requirement. Click on OK. Take a break. Identify the tools, options and write their names in the space provided. Deleting a picture. The Select tool also has Delete option. This option is used to remove the selected part of a picture from the drawing area as shown below. Click on the drop-down arrow under Select option. Choose a selection. Select the part of the picture that we want to remove. Again, click on the drop-down arrow under Select option and click on the Delete option to delete the selected part. The paint is an important accessory provided by Windows where you can show your imagination and creativity. The pencil tool is used to create personal drawings and draw freehand. Rectangular selection is used to select the particular part of the image with different shapes. The copy command is used to make duplicate copy of an object. A picture can be rotated horizontally and vertically by some degrees of an angle. Chapter 5 Fun with Logo. Warm up. Count the number of times Adi has to turn on each heap of stones. To write or draw in a computer, we need to give instructions in a language that the computer understands. An example of such a computer language is Logo. Logo is one of the language that a computer understands. The full form of Logo is Logic Oriented Graphic Oriented. We can use Logo to draw figures, do simple calculations and to type text. Logo uses a pen for writing and drawing on the logo screen. This pen is known as Turtle. The turtle looks like a small triangle that understands and follows logo commands only. It has two parts, head and tail. The pointed top of the turtle is known as head and the bottom part of it's known as the tail. Keep in mind, an instruction to perform a task is called a command. The logo commands are called primitives. When we write primitives one after another, this set of primitives is known as program. Microsoft Windows logo, MSW logo, is the logo designed to be used in Windows. Let us learn to start MSW logo. Starting MSW logo. To start MSW logo, follow these steps. Click on Start. Select all apps. Click on Microsoft Windows logo, Microsoft Windows logo. Parts of MSW logo screen. The window that opens on starting MSW logo displays a small triangle in the center. This is known as turtle. This position of the turtle is called the home position. The turtle has two parts, head and tail. The pointed top of the turtle is known as the head and the bottom part of it is known as the tail. The logo window is divided into two parts, main screen, commander window. Main screen, it is the area where the turtle moves. We can draw pictures on this screen. It is also called graphic screen. Commander window, it is the smaller area under the main screen where we can type commands. It has two parts. Input box is the space where we type commands. After we type a command, we press the Enter key or click on the Execute button. Recall list box displays the commands that have been executed. Logo commands. When we first start logo, the turtle is always in the center of the main screen. This is the turtle home position. We can move the turtle from the home position by giving some commands. Let us study some of the commands widely used in MSW logo. Forward command. The forward command makes the turtle move forward by the given number of steps. The short form of forward is FD. Let us try. Type forward or FD. Press the space bar key. Type in the number of steps. Press the Enter key. For example, the command FD50 will move the turtle forward by 50 steps in the direction of its head and draw a straight line. Keep in mind, always give a space between the name of the command and the number of steps. For example, FD50, otherwise we will get an error message. Back command. The back command moves the turtle backward by the given number of steps. The short form of back is BK. Let us try. Type back or BK. Press the space bar key. Type in the number of steps. Press the Enter key. For example, the command BK50 will move the turtle back by 50 steps in the direction of its tail and draw a straight line. The turtle does not turn its head while moving back. Keep in mind, logo was introduced by Seymour Aubrey Papert. He wanted to make a tool to improve the way in which children learn, think and solve problems. Right command. The right command turns the turtle head towards the right side. Example, in the clockwise direction. It needs the number of degree to know the angle of turn. The short form of right is RT. For example, the command RT90 will turn the turtle to the right by 90 degrees. Keep in mind, we can move the turtle back using FT command by adding a minus sign before the command. Likewise, adding a minus sign to BK command moves the turtle forward. Left command. The left command turns the head of the turtle towards the left side. Example, anti-clockwise direction by a given angle. The short form of left is LT. For example, LT90 will turn the turtle to the left by 90 degree. The figure given on the right side will help us to understand the commands that will help us to rotate the turtle. If we give a command like RT360, we will not actually see the turtle rotate. This is because the turtle would have complete one turn and come back to its original position. Home command. We use the home command to bring the turtle to the center of the screen. The turtle draws a line as it moves to the home position. CS command. We use clear screen or CS command to erase the drawing on the main screen. Also, the turtle returns to the home position. Take a break. Draw a figure as shown using MSW logo commands. Steps. Type the following in the input box. Type FT100 and press the enter key. Type RT90 and press the enter key. Type FT100 and press the enter key. Type BK200 and press the enter key. CT command. We use clear text or CT command to erase the commands in the recall list box. HT and ST commands. The hide turtle HT is used for hiding the turtle so that we can see the drawing more clearly. Hide the turtle and then given a command like FT50, the turtle will still draw a line even though we cannot see the turtle on the screen. After hiding the turtle, if we want to see the turtle again, we use short turtle ST command. It displays the turtle back on the main screen. Exiting MSW logo. After finishing the work in logo, we must exit logo. There are two methods to exit from logo. Type by command in the input box and press Enter key or Execute button. Or click on File menu, click on Exit option. Logo is one of the language that a computer understands. The full form of logo is Language Oriented Graphic Oriented. An instruction to perform a task is called a command. The logo screen is divided into two parts, main screen and commander window. The turtle has two parts, head and tail. The back command moves the turtle backwards by the given number of steps. The home command brings the turtle to the center of the screen as its home position. We use CS command to erase the drawing on the main screen, while CT command to erase the commands in the recall list box. Chapter 6. More about logo. Warm up. Match the commands with the movements shown. Color the balloons with the same color that match each other. Suppose we have to draw parallel lines. First we will draw the line PQ, then draw point R, and then draw the line RS. Notice where we have lifted the pencil. In the same way, to draw such lines in logo, we use the pen commands. A turtle has a hidden pen that enables it to draw while moving. Pen up command. This command orders the turtle to lift up the pen from the screen and move without drawing a line on the screen. The short form of this command is PU. Pen down command. While using pen up command, we have seen that turtle stops drawing on the screen. Suppose we want to draw again, what will we do? We can use pen down or PT command. This command instructs the turtle to put the pen down on the screen and continue drawing. PE and PPT command. While drawing in logo, sometimes we might make mistakes. We can use the pen erase PE command to make the turtle erase a line. Draw a rectangle using the commands given below. FT50, RT90, FT80, RT90, FD50, RT90, FD80, RT90. Now type and enter pen erase PE and type the same commands again. FD50 RT90 FD80 RT90 FD50 RT90 FD80 RT90. Keep in mind, when we use the PE command, the turtle erases the drawing in the current background color. We will see that as we enter each command, each side of the rectangle gets erased. In order to stop the turtle from erasing as it moves, we use the pen paint PPT command. To draw the rectangle again, type and enter the pen paint PPT command and type the same commands again. PPT FD50 RT90 FD80 RT90 FD50 RT90 FD80 RT90. Keep in mind, as we enter each command, the turtle draws each side of the rectangle again. PR command. The print PR command is used to write text in the commander window. Various commands for writing numbers, words and sentences are shown in the table given below. Description, command, output. To write numbers, print 10, 10. To write words, print hello, hello. To write sentences, print how are you, how are you. To write the first letter of a word or print first Bella, B. The first word of a sentence, print first how are you, how. Take a break. Draw a regular hexagon in logo. Erase 2 of its sides. Steps. To draw a regular hexagon, type the following commands in the commander window. RT30 FD60 RT60 FD80 RT60 FD80 RT60 FD80 RT60 FD80 RT60 FD80 PE BK 80 LT60 BK 80. Calculating in logo. We can also calculate in logo using the print and operating commands. We use the following operator symbols. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication and slash for division. The result is always displayed in the commander window. The different commands and their functions are shown in the table given on the next page. Operator, command, description, example. Plus, sum, used to find out the sum of two or more numbers. Minus, difference, used to find out the difference between two numbers. Multiplication, product, used to find out the product of two or more numbers. Division, quotient, used to find out the quotient after division of two numbers. It divides the first number by the second number. Percentage, remainder, used to find out the remainder after division of two numbers when the first number is divided by the second number. Pen up command orders the turtle to lift up the pen from the screen. Pen down command is used to make a turtle draw a line when it moves. Pen erase command is used to make the turtle erase the line on which it moves. Pen paint command stops turtle from erasing as it moves. The commands sum, difference, product, quotient, and remainder are used to find the result of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers respectively. Chapter 7, Introducing Internet. Warm-up. Identify the following cartoon characters and match them with their names. Doraemon, Motu Patlu, Shin-chan. Internet is a worldwide network of computers. In a computer network, computers and devices are connected to one another. Information can be communicated and shared between two computers through an internet connection. The internet connections millions of computers around the world. Areas where computers are widely used are communication, research, education, financial transaction, real-time updates. To connect to the internet, we need a hardware device. Apart from the monitor, keyboard, and mouse, we need to have the following hardware requirements. Modem, network interface card, 1 GB RAM, software, operating system like Windows, Linux, a web browser like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Netscape. The steps to open web browser are: click on the web browser icon on your computer, write the website name on the address bar, click on Go or press Enter. Search engines. Search engine is a software system that is designed to search for information available on the World Wide Web. Examples of search engines are Google, Yahoo, Alta Vista, and Bing. We can also find, download, save images from search engines. We can search, download, save the files or information from the internet using search engines and use it whenever required. Steps to search, download, save images are: open the web browser and open the search engine. Type the name or the topic of the image which you want to search. Now click on the search button. There will be millions of pictures displayed. Choose an appropriate picture and double click on the image to enlarge its size. Right click on the image and select Save the Image option. Save as dialog box will open. Select the location where you want to save the image. Click on Save button. Safety measures for internet browsing and searching. Seek the permission of your parents. Teachers, before using internet, do not share your personal information, name, phone number, address while browsing. Do not click on any unknown link while browsing. This may cause the applications on your computer to stop working. When you come across an information that you do not like or that upsets you, inform and discuss with your parents and teachers. Protect your system. Virus is a piece of program code which destroys data and programs and cause system and abnormal functioning. We can remove these viruses by using an antivirus software. It is just like taking treatment from a doctor to work normally. Some antivirus software are Avast, Norton, McAfee, WebRoot, Antivirus, etc. Take a break. You are given 5 computers to be connected in a network. One example is given below. Show 2 other ways of connecting them. There can be many correct ways. Compare your answer with your friend. Internet safety rules. Keep safe. Patch. Internet safety rules. S. Keep safe. Keep safe by not revealing personal information while using internet. Personal information includes email ID, house address, photos, phone number and password. M. Do not meet up. Meet online friends only in the presence of adult family members. A. Do not accept. Accept emails and messages only from people whom you know well. Be aware of viruses and spam messages. R. Check for reliability. All the information on the internet may not be correct. Check the reliability of the information with other resources like books, websites, or someone who knows about it. T. Tell. Tell your teacher or adult family member if you are or someone you know is uncomfortable about an online communication. To sum up, Internet is a worldwide network of computers. Computers are widely used in communication, research, education, financial transaction, and real-time updates. To connect to the Internet, we need both hardware and software. Search engine is a software system that is designed to search for information available on the World Wide Web. Virus is a piece of program code which destroy data and programs and cause system and abnormal functioning. There are some internet rules which needs to be followed.